Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a watermark on your photos like these. As you can see, a watermark like this, like the time watermark. You can add the shot taken by let's say Fred's S22 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up the camera app. Now, from the camera app, you're going to click on the settings menu on the top left corner. Now, from the settings that you clicked, you're going to make sure, as you can see over here, watermark. You're going to make sure that it is turned on, and from there, you're going to click on watermark. And from over here, you can add whatever watermarks you want. Me personally, I like adding time. You can add date and time. Okay, as you can see like this, you can change it to 12/7, 27th of December 2023. You can make it like this or like this, whatever you want, and you can have the model name, or not the model name, any name that you want. Like, let's say shot taken by Fred. Okay, and as you can see, I have the watermark enabled, and I can change its position from the top left to the middle to the right, or I can make it up or down. Me personally, I'll make it in on the bottom left, on the down, and bottom left and down. Okay, and also I leave only the time, and as you can see, you can change the font to default, Roboto, Samsung Sharp Sans, or Nato Serif. I like making it Samsung Sharp Sans because it's the most unique. And if you do want to remove this watermark, I'm going to show you how you can do it. If I go back onto the gallery, you're going to click on the three dots, and you're going to click, as you can see, I just took this photo. You're going to click on the three dots, and you're going to click on revert to original. You're going to click on revert to original. As you can see, the watermark is removed. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.